Hebrews 12 verse 1, Therefore, since we are surrounded by such a great cloud of witnesses, let us throw off everything that hinders and the sin that so easily entangles. And let us run with perseverance the race marked out for us. James 1 verse 12, Blessed is the one who perseveres under trial because, having stood the test, that person will receive the crown of life that the Lord has promised to those who love him. Galatians 6 verse 9, Let us not become weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap a harvest if we do not give up. Romans 5 verses 3 to 4, Not only so, but we also glory in our sufferings, because we know that suffering produces perseverance, character, and character, hope. 2 Timothy 4 verse 7, I have fought the good fight, I have finished the race, I have kept the faith. Philippians 3 verse 14, I press on toward the goal to win the prize for which God has called me heavenward in Christ Jesus. Isaiah 40 verse 31, But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles, they will run and not grow weary, they will walk and not be faint. Revelation 2 verse 10, Be faithful, even to the point of death, and I will give you life as your victor's crown. 2 Corinthians 4 verses 16 to 18, Therefore we do not lose heart. Though outwardly we are wasting away, yet inwardly we are being renewed day by day. For our light and momentary troubles are achieving for us an eternal glory that far outweighs them all. Psalm 27 verse 14, Wait for the Lord, be strong and take heart and wait for the Lord. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time. God bless you.